আচ্ছা, এখন আমার স্ক্রিনটা অন থাকবে, ঠিক আছে? হ্যালো। Hello. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So I can start. Start করছি, হ্যাঁ? Very good morning to one and all present here today. Dr. Samir Kumar Mondal, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Haldia College, and the convener of webinar organizing committee. Before I begin, I humbly request you all to turn off your microphone and video during lecture. Please don't click present now button on Google Meet. Your relevant queries and doubts may be raised using the comment box while watching on Google Meet and YouTube Live. It is my privilege and pleasure on behalf of Department of Chemistry, Saldia College, to declare that Department of Chemistry, Saldia College, in collaboration with IQAC, Saldia College, organized an international webinar on the interface of chemistry and biology on 30th August 2020 from 9:30 technical session 1 and 2:30 p.m. onwards technical session 2. Keeping in mind with the current pandemic situation, we thought the webinar may be safe for our sharing the ideas, thoughts, and current research and development in the specific community. We appreciate all of your kind presence here today. We are pleased and honored with us Dr. Sheikh Sirajuddin, Honorable Principal, Saldia College, who extends his hand to grace the event. We cordially welcome Dr. Motilal Sen, Barsar, Saldia College, Dr. Deepak Rana, Coordinator IQC, Saldia College, HOD, Department of Chemistry, and all other teaching and non-teaching staff of the Department of Chemistry, speaker from all over the world, Dr. Sanchita Hati, Professor, University of Wisconsin, Eau Claire, Amit Kumar, Associate Professor, IIT Patna, India, Dr. Rajendra Narayan Mitra, R&D Team Leader, Florida, USA, the Assistant Professor, IIT Guwahati, India, Sami, Scientific Officer, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, India, Mishra, Scientist, Humboldt University, Zu Berlin, Germany, and our dear participants. Thank you for registering in the international webinar. With these few words, may I request our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. Sheikh Sirajuddin, whose advice and suggestion is always with us and motivated us in many ways departmental activities, to take the control of the screen for his welcome address. Sir, please, the screen is yours now.
I always, on my part, I always encourage everyone to come up with brainstorming ideas and constructive thinking that can actually shape our vision in the long run. I always looking forward to organize seminars and conferences in our college so that we can learn something. The academic milieu should be maintained thoughtfully and diligently in an institution with much care, because we need to learn every day. Students should always try to emulate their teachers when it comes to learning a particular subject. We get the opportunity to learn diverse topics of many different subjects from the scholars, researchers, and teaching faculty from India and abroad in the seminars and conferences. But in this year, due to the pandemic, it was impossible for us to organize conference normally, and therefore we always relied on the virtual reality of online platforms. Thanks to cutting-edge technology that we are accessing these days, we have been compelled to restrain our outside activities, and we have literally been made to confine ourselves to the domestic comfort of four walls. But our thirst for learning new things should never stop from getting quenched. This is why we are here today. I myself belong to the commerce stream, and therefore I will not be able to speak much about the topic and the subject. But one thing I can clearly say, that without the knowledge of chemistry, mysteries of food, medicine, and many other essential commodities would remain unsolved. In our college, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, and inorganic chemistry are taught, and separate oil-equipped laboratories along with a smart classroom are also there. Like many other departments, the Department of Chemistry of our college tries to innovate ways so that the students can get enriched in changing times. On the other hand, there is a separate building in our college for the biology section, where all three departments of botany, zoology, and physiology are there, along with their separate conference hall and oil-equipped laboratory. Chemistry and biology are the two subjects which merge with one another very often in higher studies and play a key role in our modern life. These days, both the subjects contribute to invent a vaccine to fight COVID-19. Researchers from both the subjects are trying to save mankind from this potent threat that can endanger human race severely. So, in a way, we can understand that there is something very important here to note, and that is how we are using these two subjects. A knife is used around the globe to cut and chop vegetables and thus to get food prepared. But at the same time, we need to remember that the knife can also be used to take life away. So, an important tool can turn to be a savage weapon in wrong hands, and we must be aware of that in order to save mankind from imminent danger. In an age when nations are planning to go for biological warfare, where deadly gases, viruses, bacteria, and such other things will be invented in laboratory, it is important to know about the frontiers of the two subjects, as these two dominate many layers of several spheres. I am eagerly looking forward to hearing our esteemed speakers, and therefore here I stop on an optimistic note. I wish this international a grand success. I also hope that everyone will be delighted to attend this international webinar. Stay safe and keep learning. Once again, thanking all, and I hand over the microphone to Dr. Samir Kumar Mondal convener of this webinar, for continuing the program of this international webinar. To all,
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind welcome address. With this welcome address from our Honorable Principal Sir, may I request our Principal Sir to open the webinar? Sir, please. We can open now.
let us start the webinar and for continuing the program of this day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Once again, with your due permission, our technical session is open now. In this technical session, our first speaker is my excellent friend Narayan
Thanks.
Mitro from Florida. We'll talk on global pandemic and COVID-19. Rajendra Mitro is currently working as a team leader in viral vector-based gene therapy and translational research group at a clinical stage biotechnology company in Florida. There he joined in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the pandemic, he packed up his family, drove down and took residence in Florida. Before joining this company, he was an assistant professor research North Carolina. Dr. Mitro completed his PhD in chemistry and biotechnology from Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science, India, and moved to the US to work on gene therapy project for ocular disease, retinopathy, autosomal recessive retinitis pigmentosa of age-related macular degeneration and retinoblastoma. He developed several non-viral gene therapies, obtained patents, and published several papers in peer-reviewed journals. He served as an editorial board member in peer-reviewed journal and grand reviewer. Received important awards, excellent in research at University of North Carolina, and a grant from Fight for Sight USA. With this brief introduction, I must request Dr. Mitro to take the control of the screen. Mitro, screen is yours now. Dr. Mitro, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Please start.
Okay. So, Mir, for your nice introduction, and good morning to everyone. I'm feeling very glad this opportunity and platform to share one of my relevant topic that is greatly fitting with your webinar entitled Frontier at the Interface of Chemistry and Biology. So today I'm going to share with you the important topic on COVID-19, a global pandemic, and my title is Global Pandemic COVID-19, Big Opportunity to Get Skills in War with Vaccines and Drugs in Place Against Deadly Pathogens. So I choose because of the current situation, current scenario, where chemistry plays a significant role in dealing with this disease. I will show you. I will go through several slides that will explain, and